In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Managing your digital space efficiently is crucial, especially when working with a sophisticated platform like ElevenLabs. Whether you're decluttering or just maintaining privacy, clearing your history is a straightforward process. Follow along, and you'll be able to do it in a matter of moments. First, you'll want to start by locating the History tab. On the ElevenLabs interface, take a look at the sidebar. It's typically on the left-hand side of your screen. The sidebar is your main navigation tool within ElevenLabs, giving you quick access to all the essential functions and features available. The History tab is where all your past generations are stored, allowing you to revisit, review, or remove them as needed. Now that you have your History tab open, you should see a list of your past audio generations. The next thing you need to do is hover over the specific generation you wish to delete. As you move your cursor over these items, you'll notice some additional options becoming visible. This hover action is quite common in many user interfaces, providing extra actions without cluttering the interface. Once you've found the generation you'd like to remove, look out for a trash icon next to the file. Clicking on this icon is your next step. It's important to be careful here and make sure you're selecting the correct item. If you've ever used a computer before, you're likely familiar with this symbol. It universally represents the action of deleting or discarding items in software interfaces. After clicking the trash icon, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice to permanently delete the file. This is a crucial and protective step in the process, ensuring you don't accidentally lose important data. Make sure to read any on-screen prompts or warnings. Confirming the deletion is usually as simple as clicking a button labeled Yes or Confirm. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. Once you agree, the file is gone for good from your history. And there you have it. Deleting history in ElevenLabs is really that straightforward. Following these steps, you can quickly manage your data, making sure that your workspace is as organized and private as you need it to be. By keeping your history tidy, you not only protect your privacy, but also enhance the overall performance of the application since it might perform better with less stored data. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.